Fix replays notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix replays notifications on tweets. So first thing, go to your tweets, click here on your profile, click on the icon at the top corner. It will take you to this page. Then click on notifications. Here guys you have tweets in replays. Here guys you have replays notifications. Now all you need to do to fix it is choose if you want replays notifications from everyone, for people you follow, or you have to turn off replays notifications. This is it guys. This is how you fix replays notifications on tweets. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next video.